Car Care Car Body Wash. To maintain the beautiful appearance and color of your vehicle, adhere to the following rules. Never wash your car with very hot water to avoid appearing on the car body. Especially with metallic paint, scratches and abrasions, use a soft cloth for washing. Do not use washing powder to wash your car or dishwashing liquid. Try not to leave the car for a long time in direct sunlight. If you wash your car under running water from hose, then try not to direct the stream at the sealing rubber bands for windows, doors, and brakes, discs and drums. If the car is very dirty, then before washing give it a good spray with a hose to soak it dirt, then start washing with cool water and car shampoo. Do not skimp on water to have a good wash off any remaining dirt from the body. After washing is completed, rinse the car with clean water and dry it with piece of suede. Washing the bottom of the car. Rinse off periodically water dirt from the bottom of the car, first of all chassis, especially after winter. To wash the exterior of the body, use the following products: special car shampoo, polishing wax, bitumen stain cleaner, glass washing liquid, protective agent for seals, wheel rim cleaner and aluminum cleaner rims. Car care cleaning. Bitumen stains. Use technical alcohol to clean the body from bitumen stains or pollution oil fractions. Then rinse off the residue alcohol from the area with soap and water. Car body polishing. In case decide to polish the body of your car, we recommend using the following means for this purpose: a mild cleaning paste to remove from the surface body stains without harming the filler paint pasta to remove scratches from the body surface, wax for applying a protective layer between the paint and the external environment. Wash wiper blades with hot water and soap. Do not use technical equipment to clean brushes, alcohol or gasoline-based cleaners. Glass and mirrors. Clean the glass periodically your car inside and out using appropriate cleaning agents. Wash the windshield especially often and with special liquid, in particular with each washing the car or before installing new ones. Windshield wipers. Rear glass. Wipe the inside of the glass soft cloth from left to right. Do not use detergents products, as this may damage the heating elements on glass. Wash mirrors with soap and water. If they are covered with ice, then use a plastic scraper to clean them. Car interior. First of all, remove dust from the interior with a vacuum cleaner. Plastic. Wash interior parts with detergent, then wipe with a damp cloth. Carpets. Wash seats and carpets with detergent in order to make sure that the coatings do not fade. Test product in inconspicuous places in the cabin. For cleaning dashboard, displays, clocks, signal, etc. Use a dry soft cloth. Do not use sprays or cleaning products. Pull the straps out safety and wash them with hot water and soap. They dry naturally. Do not use until dry by car. Do not rub the front shield until shiny, because it will be reflected on the windshield, which will make driving a car difficult. Be careful that water does not attend the real seat belts. Do not use washing powder. Furniture polish. Oil derivatives.